are you doing? Even in today's day and age, you're using pen and paper. It's so much easier on the phone.
Well, easier is subjective. You see, noting down with a pen exactly on a diary feels so much special.
True, but digital technology has evolved so much. Everything has changed. You remember those times when we had those small pocket journals which we used to carry, and the phone books where we had the numbers. Where are they now?
Right. But you know, when you write it on a journal with a pen,
Yes.
I feel it makes me be more organized. And then again, it also gives me a clarity about what am I doing. So, welcome everyone to Map of Me. I'm Zeba, the host of the show, and today we are going to learn something amazing with some entrepreneur skills. Well, taking a cue from the conversation we just had, we are going to learn about bullet journaling. What it is, where can we do it, and how it can make you health a little more successful. So stay tuned with us to know more about it. And also, don't forget to take part in the quiz to win exciting prizes at the end of the episode.
So just like in every other episode, I'm going to tell you what Map of Me is all about. Map of Me is a mobile youth channel where we teach you the successful skills necessary for you to secure an internship, your dream job, or even your own sustainable enterprise. How do we do this? We connect you with several entrepreneurs who are successful in their own field, and we connect you to them so that you learn from them what is their mantra to success. Along with that, we shall also explore the city of Calcutta and get to know what's going on around, and also learn how to make the city more sustainable for the people living in it. Stay tuned till the end of the video to answer the quiz and win exciting prizes.
Thank you so much, Rohan, for the information as always. So let's ask the people of Calcutta if they know what bullet journaling is and if they still use pen and paper. Sir, do you know what bullet journaling is?
क्या है बुलेट जर्नलिंग क्या होता है मतलब बताओ.
So ma'am, when was the last time you used pen and paper?
Probably today morning.
And do you do bullet journaling?
Yes, I actually do that often. That's the only way I schedule my programs, my other events, everything.
So what would you prefer, a phone or a paper?
Phone is always very handy. I'm carrying it all the time and it's honestly more convenient. But pen paper is the original method, so that's easy as well. But I'd prefer phone right now.
Now that we've seen how
बुलेट जर्नलिंग
helps you in your personal life, let's see how it helps you in your professional life. Studies and academic research in several sectors have confirmed that when you write something down, it ingrains it in your mind so deeply that you can remember them and remind yourself of them constantly, thus helping you achieve your goals and ventures. Now, let's speak to some women who have journaled and remembered all their goals, their to-do lists and reminders every day of their long life, and see what they have to tell us.
Hello ma'am, welcome to our show.
Hi.
So if we can start by you introducing yourself or talking about you a little.
So hi, this is Ambreen Aziz. I am from Kolkata. I have done my bachelor's in commerce and right now I'm working for a company which deals with insolvency law, and I'm also doing my master's together.
So that means that you're multitasking. So
Yeah.
that brings us to the next question, that as a multitasker, is bullet journaling a part of your routine?
Yeah, of course, as you said, multitasking. So multitasking mein the most important thing is to maintain bullets, maintain your to-do list. If I am multitasking, I have to make sure that I prioritize both my work. I give importance to my masters as well as my work.
Right.
Nothing should be left behind. So the most important thing there is maintaining a bullet journal. Every day my work, my assignments which I am doing side by side in my masters. So if I don't maintain bullets, so I can always something or the other will be left behind, because the whole day is like it's a mess. I have to go home, I have to decide today I'll study this portion. So before deciding, I have to make a pinpoint that today this portion has to be completed. So for that, bullet journaling is a major part.
So, ma'am, if you could tell us what are the skills which gets enhanced when you perform bullet journaling?
Of enhanced, I would say, I have my personal opinion. I would say that this has made me more punctual. I have become calculative in my decisions. I can prioritize a balance in my life, which is if I'm doing my assignments. So basically I'm dealing with insolvency laws, okay. So it's a timeline based work. So timeline means maintaining a target list that within this time I have to complete this. I have to send a mail within this time. So I write it down, I prioritize everything. So the one which is very important, I keep it on the top, and like that wise I'm assigned. And same thing I do at my home. I have kept a different diary which is for my studies.
How does bullet journaling give a boost to your career or your daily routine?
It definitely gives a boost to my daily routine because I have to take out time for everybody, for my family, for my friends, and for my work and studies. So sometimes, when I forget to write, okay, so that day I feel like something is missing, something I didn't do. So it's very difficult for me to calculate कि अभी मुझे क्या करना है. So it becomes very difficult. So obviously it is a boost to my career because without specifying and prioritizing my work, without noting it down, I will not be able to perform. It becomes difficult for me if I don't write it down. I'll forget. It comes out of your mind because there's so many things the whole day you are doing. So, yeah.
Any message or any word to the youth of Map of Me who want to perform journaling or want to be independent and be successful?
Start today, making a journal, because once you start writing, you get to decide what comes first, what comes at the back. So of course, maintain a journal. It will make you more calculative. You can maintain a balance in your life. And writing down, actually sometimes you have a bad day. So writing it down, sometimes things happen which you cannot discuss with friends or family. So writing it down actually relieves your stress and you feel much better when you write it down. So that is one thing. Writing down your to-do list is a very important thing. You maintain it weekly, you maintain it monthly, it's on you, or on a daily basis, which I do. It's a daily basis thing. So yeah, it's really important.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I hope the audience have gained a lot of information. It was great meeting you.
Thank you, same here.
Hello, ma'am. So if we can start with you guys saying a little about yourself.
I'm Shushmita Dash. I'm basically a student and I'm doing hotel management.
I'm Sabanaz. I'm pursuing my graduation from geography honors.
So if you do any journaling or write something for your to-do, would you use a phone's note or the typical diary pen?
I do not have diary all time. I prefer phone note.
Yeah, I would also prefer phone note because phone हमारे पास हमेशा होता है और हम लोग ज़्यादातर फ़ोन ही यूज़ करते हैं और अभी जैसे हम लोग देखें तो सब चीज़ फ़ोन में ही आ गया है तो इस वजह से फ़ोन.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Could you introduce yourself?
Well, my name is Sukhjeet Kaur. I was born and brought up in Calcutta and I'm a qualified company secretary along with my graduation in BCom, and I'm working as a legal manager since past 3 years with the firm.
Okay. As you know that this interview is about bullet journaling, could you specify how you use bullet journaling and do you know about bullet journaling?
Well, yes, I've been practicing bullet journaling since quite a long time now. Like, first and foremost, it's quite useful in my work, okay? Like, I'm into legal and compliance work, so we have to maintain very strict timelines, else we have to face very, very huge penalties. So I have to ensure that all the work is done, legal formalities are done within time. So it helps me a lot in my work front. Like, on weekly basis, I maintain a bullet journal wherein I'll, just write what the work is there for the weekly basis depending on the urgency of the work. And I feel this is something not just for your work front, you can use it in your personal life as well, like as a meal planner, like whatever meal I'm going to cook for the next 1 week, I always decided over the weekends and my off days where I'll maintain a list of all those vegetables that I'm going to cook up, so that I have all the things in place, all the groceries in place in advance, so that on the last moment I'm not going to have an issue. And apart from them, you can use it for like managing your finances. We have, you know, our generation is so much into investing and everything, so you should also know how to manage your finances. You can maintain a like journal for yourself. You can state what your monthly expenses are going to be. There are certain months you might have to bear more expenses, someone's birthday, event, anniversaries, parties, something like that. So you can maintain your finances with that as well. And on personal life also, you can, you know, work on your physical and mental health, and you can maintain a journal, write about yourself, how you feel everything. You cannot always have someone who's there to listen to you, so you need to write it down. It's equivalent to, you know, listening without being judged or giving any advice. So yeah, it's quite helpful for me in a lot of aspects. It was mandatory for us to maintain diary from our school days. So it was inculcated since very young age. But once school got over and I was in college, that there was no habit, because college is quite, you know, not serious kind of a thing. So when I again get into a job and internship, that's when I started maintaining a diary again. So I can say it must be like 4 to 5 years since I'm in maintaining diary.
Has there been any situation where you have felt that bullet journaling has helped you overcome a difficulty or helped you through the situation?
Yeah, but actually that's my current situation right now. So my mom's out of station due to some family emergency, and I'm here with my father and my brother. So I have to cook meals, and being a working person, it's not possible for me to plan my meals every day. That, you know, I cannot just come home from office and think, okay, I have to cook this. I have to plan my meals in advance so that I have the proper vegetables and everything in place before I go home. So right now, like, I'm maintaining a diary on weekly basis wherein I plan all my meals, what everyone is going to have for breakfast, what for lunch, what for dinner. And apart from the diary thing, and also planned other household chores that I have to do, like cleaning the clothes or other things, cleaning the house and everything. So on personal level right now, it's very helpful for me, so that, you know, I know what I have to do when I get back home, and I can plan my day accordingly.
Okay. As you are a working professional who's working and practicing bullet journaling, what is your advice or what is your suggestion to young women who are going into a profession of such strict culture of work? How do you prescribe they do bullet journaling?
See, first of all, I believe like taking thing as a habit and making it a habit takes 21 days. It's like a popular belief, something like that. So you need to be very consistent. If you want to take up bullet journaling, you have to be very consistent. You cannot, it's not like a dieting. You do it 2 days and the third day you're not hitting the gym because of leg day or something like that. So you have to be very consistent. You need to write down your goals, because the more you write things down, and writing down, I'm not talking about a physical or one means in the computer or print out type thing, because the more a handwritten thing is, the more it is easy to memorize it, the more it is easy to follow a habit. Moreover, so make it a handwritten journal and make it consistent, make it a habit, and also take it up a little strictly and everything. And moreover, I would feel if you're trying to make a bullet journal, it should be as per your own convenience. Like if you're into the creative part, you can make it a little creative, colorful with drawings and everything. But if you like things plain and simple, you can keep it simple. So keep it on how you really like to view a particular thing. So that should be my advice.
Definitely agree with you. And my next question to you is, what are the 5 benefits of bullet journaling that you feel has helped you and you think would help other people? Any 5. Oh, it doesn't have to be 5, anything in general.
Bullet journal shapes you up a lot as a person. Okay, you become more organized, you become a little more presentable in certain things in your life, you learn to make a habit, you learn. Moreover, one other thing I feel about handwriting is you do not lose your handwriting practice. We are all into desk job and such jobs that we have to do everything on keyboard, so you do not lose touch with the handwriting and everything. Moreover, it's like a practice and everything. It makes you organized much more, you know, it shapes you up as a better person overall. So this is, but yeah, you have to be very serious about it and take it consistently. That's all about it.
As you journal in your diary, how does it help you with your time management?
I personally feel it's quite helpful. Okay, now what basically happens is not just work basis, on my personal life also. I might have to go out on weekday with my friends. It can be someone's birthday or some other occasion. So I would like to know in advance. I don't, much believe in impromptu plans because it kind of disturbs my routine, and I personally like to maintain routine a lot until unless I'm in a vacation. In that case, I don't care about my routine. It's obviously different, but I think so it's very important in advance to know that what exactly my plans are for the day, and so that I can plan my work accordingly. Like in certain days, there can be a situation I have to go somewhere early, but my working hours end at 6:37. So if I have to, go out somewhere, I can manage my working hours. I can just complete my work much before time and leave accordingly, so that my schedule doesn't get hampered, because I really prefer sleeping 8 hours a day. That is the most important thing for me, that no matter what happens, I'm not sleeping less than 8 hours a day. So I have to plan my day in that way, so that I get enough sleep, I get enough of exercise, yoga and everything. Moreover, I think so that on weekends I somewhat feel that going off the routine is okay, because on off days it doesn't quite matter. You always have an off next day, you can wake up late. So diary has actually helped me a lot in managing time and everything in my life. Like it has completely organized my life in a
makes you healthy also.
Yeah, it makes me healthy also, because you need to being a working person, you need to take out time for a lot of things, not just working and office. You need to take out time for your exercise, for some other health related issues and everything. So I think so it's very important that you plan your day so that you get time for everything.
How do you think bullet journaling helps or creates entrepreneurs?
Okay, see, thing with entrepreneurs is like it's your own business. Okay, like I'm into a job, so I don't have to take certain kind of responsibility. But an entrepreneur, you're going to settle up meet different people and everything. So I think so bullet journal should be a very important part of their life, because it's more like a to-do list for a weekly planner or a daily plan and all things. So they should know how to manage a list of all their meetings, because you're trying. Suppose you are in the beginning of a in your journey of your career and everything. So you are trying to meet people, trying to bring business and clients to yourself. So having a journal in place where you can see whatever date you have schedules your meeting, it would be a very good impression. Suppose you have a meeting today and somewhat it's in your mind, but you miss it out in the last moment. So we say that first impression is the last impression. If you do not turn out at time to your client, it's going to be a very bad impression on you as a person. So for entrepreneurs, especially the one who are into a new business, starting something new, they should definitely maintain a journal where they write all their meetings, schedules, calls and everything's in place, so that they do not miss out on things. So that is, I think, so you should follow it as a very strict practice. And apart from just your work front, on a personal life also, you should make it a practice, to plan your own personal life. All of us have a life outside work, so you need to focus on that life as well. So that's my view.
Okay. My last question to you is, have you been able to, because you are such a staunch believer and practitioner of bullet journaling, have you ever been able to influence somebody to practice bullet journaling within your friend circle or anybody?
Yeah, like in my office, when I joined, there were some of them, they were before me, but they were just maintaining diaries. Like we are into legal background, okay, so they mainly maintain diaries for court hearings, so that we do not miss the court hearings and all everything. They didn't maintain diary for other work that's not related to court. So when I joined, I started maintaining a diary, and my bosses really appreciated that, because I was always on point about my compliance and everything, and I never missed out a date, I never missed out a timeline in my life. So that is one thing I was very much appreciated. Like it's been 3 years now I've been working, but in the initial first year I was so much appreciated. My other colleagues also started working on the bullet journal thing. Now they maintain a diary for everything else apart from the court hearings and other assignments, so that we do not, like there are so many other compliances to be done. So that is something they have started following right after I had that habit of doing that in my work.
Your story of bullet journaling is so interesting that I really want to see how you bullet journal. So could you show me your diary?
Yeah, sure. So like I'm currently handling 4 to 5 assignments. So this is my diary. So my style of bullet journal for my work is like I use 4 color pens. Okay, one is the red for the really urgent work that has to be done. I maintain it on weekly basis. The other is black for all the court hearing dates and other deadlines, filing a form with statutory authorities and everything. My green pen is when an assignment is done within that week, so that I know that this is done. I do not have to worry about that. And I use blue pen for the work that is not really that much urgent. That can be done only if I get some free time from the urgent work, something that can be delayed. So this is something it makes very convenient. Whenever I open my diary in the morning, I know these are my urgent actionables for the day with my red pens now. So this helps me a lot in, you know, setting up my priorities with work. So that's how I maintain it. So I'm in handing like 5 to 6 assignments. It's maintained accordingly. And also keep up space after every assignment in weekly basis, so that if something else crops up in between the week, I'm able to put an entry into it. So this is my journal.
So we've seen how people have used bullet journaling to help their lives and also become more successful. By these interviews, we get to know how bullet journaling is not a difficult task. It's a skill, it's a habit, and if you use it, you can improve yourselves, give directions to your directions and upscale your talent.
So let's pick a pen and paper and begin. And if you still want to use your phone, there are many options for that too. However, now we've reached the end of our chapter for this episode. I will give you 2 questions for the quiz, answering which you will receive exciting prizes. What are the benefits of bullet journaling?
And
Where can you do bullet journaling?
well, you can answer these questions and win exciting prizes right on our website
www.mapofme.in.
Also, do not forget to take up the 26-step challenge. Tell us what you're passionate about and we'll help you in your journey.
Keep watching shows like ours and keep learning. Until next time, keep doing bullet journaling.